Why keeping busy is keeping you broke and what no one tells you. I used to believe being busy was a badge of honor. I thought if I just worked harder, said yes more, filled every hour of the day, eventually I'd feel free. But what I really found out was I was just exhausted, overwhelmed, and still nothing. I was still broke. This is part one of my mini series 8, and I'm opening up about a painful truth. Busyness is not the same as progress, and it's definitely not the same as profit. Here's what it looked like for me, saying yes to everything because I was afraid of losing opportunities, filling my calendar, but not my wallet, feeling guilty for resting because I thought hustle meant worth. But then I stopped. I said, no more. I got exhausted. I wasn't moving forward. I was managing survival from day to day. I realized you don't fix your life by working more hours. You fix it by changing the system you're working in. So here's the shift I started to make. I tracked where all my time was actually going. I looked at which actions led to income and which ones didn't. I cut the busy work and focused on ownership. I learned how to build a business where I own the product, I control my schedule, and I stopped trading time just for survival. And no, it's not affiliate marketing. It's not chasing friends and my family. It's a digital model that paid me my first sale in 24 hours from my phone at 73 years of age. Stay with me for part two, what I did instead of hustling and why it finally worked. Learn more, go to my site or comment info and I'll send you exactly what I do every day that's been working for me and thousands.